Hey, guess what? Grandma and Grandpa wanted to see another video. You tell them how mean Mommy is. Aren't I so mean? We never give you anything that you need or want. Like if you wake up at 4 in the morning and you just want a snack, I don't give it to you, do I? Nope. Oh no, you're so mad. You're so mad. Can you stand how mean your parents are? You were just born into the worst family. The meanest parents. Right? I know. You have it so bad. You have it so bad. You tell them. Get the word out. Get the word out. You need rescuing. Aww. Alright. Say goodbye, Grandma and Grandpa. Can't wait to visit you.